Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My warmest greeting to the Provincial Governor of Lanao del Sur, Honorable Alonto Adjong Jr., the Vice Governor Muhammad Khalid Adjong, Congressman Yasser Kalindong, and maybe Jar Rahman will arrive later. Member of the Parliament who are here today, I must particularly mention the Sumagayan because he's our Deputy Speaker in Parliament. Also, Kyle, who are also here today. Other member of the Parliament to shorten it. So the Bangsamoro government also, headed by some ministers who are all here today. The provincial officials from board member to line agencies of Lanao del Sur, the city and the municipal officials, our traditional leaders who are here today, the members of our security, the development partners, the youth, the member of our respected ulama, the people of Lanao del Sur, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and good morning to everyone. Magandang umaga po sa ating lahat. Today, we celebrate not only the opening of the Pagdaragian Sarimanok and the 67th founding anniversary of Lanao del Sur. We celebrate a people whose faith, history, courage, and culture have helped shape the Bangsamoro identity. Ang kasaysayan ng Lanao ay kasaysayan ng Bangsamoro. The Sarimanok is more than a treasured symbol of the Maranao people. It reminds us that every generation has a responsibility not only to inherit and proud history, but to create one worthy of those who will come after us. It represents hope, resilience, dignity, excellence, and the courage to dream beyond today's challenges. There can be no strong Bangsamoro without a strong Lanao del Sur. When Lanao del Sur progress, the entire Bangsamoro moves forward. Your victories become our victories, and your aspirations become our shared responsibility. That is why the Bangsamoro government does not stand above our provinces. We stand beside them. We face challenges together, celebrate every achievement, and continue building our future as one Bangsamoro. Alhamdulillah, we are seeing more opportunities for our people to learn, to work, to build business, and to improve the lives of their families. We want every child to receive a quality education, every farmer and peasant to earn a better livelihood, and every entrepreneur to succeed, and every community to benefit from inclusive and sustainable development. That is why the kind of progress we want in every Bangsamoro family experience. At the same time, we will never allow progress to come at the expense of our identity. We can build modern communities while preserving our values, traditions, and rich cultural heritage. Festival like Pagkaragyan remind us that our culture is not only our pride, it is also a source of opportunity. It strengthens our tourism, support our local entrepreneurs, showcases the beauty of Maranao craftsmanship, such as ukir and weaving, promote our halal industries and culinary heritage, and creates livelihood that allow our communities to grow while remaining true to we are. To our young people, remember this. The next guardians of our culture are sitting in our schools today. Carry your identity with pride, honor the wisdom of your leaders, and let your faith guide your character. As we approach another democratic exercise in the Bangsamoro this September, let us prove that our democracy is strengthened not by division, but by unity, respect, and responsible participation. Political choices may differ, but our love for the Bangsamoro must always unite us. No political difference is worth sacrificing the peace that generations struggle towards. My hope is that the Bangsamoro will be known not simply as a region that overcome conflict, but as a region where peace created opportunity created prosperity, and prosperity was shared by every family. The future of the Bangsamoro will not be built by choosing between our heritage and our progress. It will be built by allowing our heritage to guide our progress, our unity to strengthen our democracy, and our commitment to honest, corruption-free governance to earn the lasting trust of our people as we continue building a mas matatag na Bangsamoro. A strong Lanao del Sur to strengthen the Bangsamoro. And a stronger Bangsamoro creates greater opportunity for every family and Lanao del Sur. Let every generations be remembered not only for preserving what it inherited, but for leaving something even better for those who came after. Maligayang Pagkaragyan sa Rimanog Festival. Maligayang ika-67 anniversary ng lalawigan ng Lanao del Sur. Sama-sama natin itaguyod ang isang mas matatag, mas mapayapa, at mas maunlad na Bangsamoro. I just want to inform you na ang edad ko ay 67 din ngayon. So it's really coincide with the Lanao del Sur celebration. So maraming salamat. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.